Hi everybody. Today I'm going to try to make sense of these 3 azaleas. These are cuttings from last year, very young of course, and I haven't spent a lot of time with them yet, so that's what we're going to do. Now, as you can see, and if you're aware of azaleas, we get a lot of this where there's 5 trunks coming out of the same spot. Well, we only need 1. So, I mean, I could choose one of these, and then when I repot it, shift it. Or I can just leave it leaning and make a slant style. But we don't need them all. So I think I'm just going to pick whichever one has the most growth. And actually, I went with the slant that's leaning into the pot, because then I won't have to worry about changing it next year. We're essentially just taking it back, and we're going to keep doing that until they get older. And this one might be quite simple. Let's just take it back. Take it back. I'm essentially just going to bring it back to a trunk and 1 branch. I'm going to leave this here, let that grow out. And then there's not much left after that, except another year of growth for next year. Let's see what we're dealing with here. Okay, so this one at least has a little bit more to work with. Oh, let's get a little wire. I mean, these branches are kind of low, but the tree is also pretty small, so I'm not worried. I'm more of a Shohin type of a bonsai person. I like them small I know a lot of people don't like wiring like this, but this branch is so thin, I don't know how else you'd really want to do it. And if it works, then it works. Alright. I might try to make cuttings out of some of these. I'm not going to wire that. That would be ridiculous. But you know what I should have done though? If you do this, make an anchor point, then you can wire multiple branches from one point and use even less wire. Well, we had rain all day today, so there's no need to water. The only thing, these branches are more delicate than I would usually work with. Come on. These are really my first set of azalea cuttings. I'm used to working on bigger azaleas. I would say maybe small, but not this small. I just sold my favorite azalea in the springtime, and these are descendants of that tree, so at least I got something left. Okay, so this looks ridiculous, but it pays off, I'm telling you. I need a branch going on this side. We might as well use this one that's already horizontal. Take that one off. Which means we gotta get rid of this one. And then we got our lead. So we can take that off. Yeah, I'm definitely probably gonna, I keep saying I'm not gonna make any more cuttings, but I don't like throwing stuff away. So I'm gonna shorten this a little bit. And I'm gonna shorten this a little bit. Let's see if I can try to, so if I cut it right here, that should give me a branch on this other side of this. Okay. It looks crazy now, but check back in the spring to summer. What do we have here? Now the problem with this one, what we've been calling the front, these branches are the front. So let's take a quick examination. Maybe we just gotta change the front. Or remove the lower branches. think I'm gonna change the front. That's what we're gonna do. A young tree like this can see all kinds of unforeseen changes to its style. Get rid of that. I'll get rid of one of these. I'll leave one. Maybe I'll wire that down. Just like that. Cut it. Okay, we're not going to need all this. Okay, so I got a back branch, which we might lose. Now, I don't like this branch. And I don't even feel bad about it. I'm going to take that down a little bit. Now this is going to pull the tree a little bit, but that's okay. Alright, now we're going to choose some of these and get rid of that. Let's shorten these. Oh, it's going way too crazy. Right. Then this back-facing branch. I'm not going to do that. Let's see. We're just going to shorten it. Take that off. Can actually, we can call that the branch for the side to balance that. Yeah. Why not? I treat my small trees just as if they're 50 years old. Except of course if it was 50 years old, we'd be doing a lot of different things. I'm just gonna shorten this. These they don't even have flower buds right now. They're too young, or they just weren't ready for them. So I don't feel bad about cutting the ends of any of it off. There. No doubt that it looks better than it did before. And $25. Look at that. Which they're not going to be in the spring. That's my tiny cutting and tiny pot price. I mean, a lot of people won't even want to pay $25 for this, and I'd rather keep it anyways, because I want to see it grow. I want to see what it does. That's it for today. It rained, it's dinner time. I wanted to do something. I saw these yesterday when I was walking around doing a little bit of pruning, and realized that they're looking pretty overgrown, and also realizing that I really hadn't sat down with them other than pulling them out initially from the greenhouse when they first gained roots. I put them in these pots this year. They got roots last year. Usually my cuttings go in a pot, you know, just a regular pot, something like that. So that's where they were last year. I actually was running out of affordable trees, so I stuck them in these pots just to, in case anybody was interested. Well, anyways, I'm gonna go have dinner. No watering today. I'm gonna probably get more cuttings if I can, even though I keep saying I'm not gonna do any more. But considering how low I am on azaleas right now, I got another set of azaleas I'll probably do something with, different species. And that's it for today.